Hi, today we're going to be talking about memory or main memory, and first another name for main memory is RAM or random access memory, and I'll relate it first to an off computer topic. Relate main memory and main memory versus hard drive to let's say our brains and a book on a shelf. So for example, a book on a shelf we can relate to a hard drive, and our brains or what's in our memory and is retrievable immediately. What's retrievable immediately would be an analogy to main memory, and a book on a shelf is an analogy to a hard drive. In our memory, our brain is essentially no delay whatsoever. So that's that analogy. If you look on the wiki page, just to give you a little bit of a run through, some pictures here of some main memory. Sean and I, in our exercise in class, we installed this. We installed some in the computer. Thought we were recording it. I guess we did the reverse, and no, we didn't get any pictures of that, so not including it in our video. Have a little YouTube video that's also giving a high-level explanation of memory. I'll leave this for you to read. I won't run through it. Purchasing options with explanations and pictures. More resources. I'll leave that for you to read. I won't read it for you. And go over an explanation of what you're going to do, of explaining the different types of RAM as well. So looking at this table here, this table compliments of Jeff Radulovich, my other half, so I will give credit there. He's created this for a course he's teaching. These are different types of memory that you can purchase. So DDR memory, double data rate memory, common memory to purchase. So note that the peak transfer rate is obtained by multiplying the number of data transfers per second with the number of bytes transmitted during each transfer, which is simply the width in bytes of the data bus. Most modern CPUs have a 64-bit data bus width or 8 bytes. So for example, if I take the first column in this table, I'll use that as the example. If you have a double data rate, or DDR, is 200, so you have 200 million transfers per second of 8 bytes per transfer. You have 200 million times 8 bytes, which is 1600 million bytes being transferred, which is 1600 megabytes per second peak transfer rate. So that's how you would read this row in this table. And the heading here, DDR, SDR, RAM, where's my mouse? SDR RAM means that the read and writes can only occur when the system clocks transitions. So if you recall back, so I'm assuming I'm talking to computer scientists here, not the general public. Hopefully that's okay. So when we're talking about the system clock transition, of course that means when the rising and falling edge of the clock. So the key difference between DDR and DDR2 is that the bus is clocked at twice the speed, and you get more latency with the prefetch buffers. And then DDR3, you get higher bandwidth, but you also get higher latency as well. And so there's different trade-offs for these different peak transfer rates. And different other cards, when you start looking at graphics cards as well, they also have main memory on board those. So you look at that in your performance as well. And that's all I have to say on main memory today. Thank you.